Om Sri Mahaganathipataye Namaha. Hi my dear friends and my dear students. Today I am going to explain you the cubing of a number which is near to the base 100 by using Yavadhanam Sutra. Yesterday I explained you how to cube a number which is near to the base 10 and today base 100. Yeah. Consider an example 104 whole cube. The number 104 is near to 100 and it is more than 100. So here the deviation is plus 4. Deviation is plus 4. So as I said before in the earlier video, so what we have, if we consider the given number as x, then x plus twice the deviation, step 1. Then 3 times the deviation square, step 2, deviation cube, step 3. And I told you what is deviation. Here 104 is 4 more than 100. Na? So 4 will be the deviation. Now I am going to substitute the number here. X is our 104 plus 2 into deviation. That is 4. 2 into 4. Next. 3 into 4 square. 4 cube. Okay. So 104 plus 8. 2 4s are 8. So 104 8. 112. 4 square is 16. 16 3s are 48. And 4 cube is 64. So here, no need to carry any number because the base is 100. In each and every place we will get 2 places. So no need to carry any number to either first place or second place or third place. So the answer is 1124864. Let us consider another number which is below base. Once again, before that, once again see this one. 104 whole cube, D is 4 and this is the formula. Substitution 104 plus 2 into deviation, 3 into deviation square, deviation cube and simplification. Since the base is 100, no need to carry anything. So numbers as it is, the answer is 1124864. Now, consider another number which is below the base 100. Let it be 95 cube. 95 cube. Here the deviation is negative 5. Deviation is negative 5 because 95 is 5. 95 is 5 less than 100. So deviation is negative. So once again I am writing the formula. If we consider the given number as x, x plus 2 into deviation, 3 into deviation square, deviation cube. So 95 plus 2 into minus 5, 3 into minus 5 whole square, minus 5 whole. Now 95 minus 10 it is 85. 5 square is 25, minus 5 square is also 25, 25 into 3, 75 and 5 cube, minus 5 cube is bar 125. Here, as I said the base is 100, here we will get only 2 numbers. So what we have to do is, we have to carry this number to here, so 75 plus bar 1 and 25 bar. Once again I am repeating here. Here we got 3 numbers, but the base is 100 only. That means here we get only units and tens place. So this bar 1 we have to carry to the second place. So 75 bar 1 means 75 plus bar 1. That means 75 minus 1. So what we will get? 85. 75 minus 1. 75 plus bar 1. That is 75 minus 1. 74 and bar 25. If you observe first place of the answer, bar 25 is a negative number. So we have to take out that number. We have to take out that number. So what we get? 85 units tens. Take one number from here to here so that it becomes 100. So then here you will get 73 and 100 minus 25 it is 75. So the answer is 857375. 857375. Once again I am repeating. Here 74 is there, here negative 25 is there. So to take out this negative 25, we have to carry one number from second place to first place. So this is units place, tens place, hundreds place. When we are carrying one number from hundreds place to units place, it becomes 100. So here 74, if we take out 1, we get 73. And 100 minus 25, when one number goes from here to here, it becomes 100, I told you. So 100 minus 25 becomes 75. So the answer is 857375. So my dear students, I think you understood this method very well. Dhanyavad.